5 Best Blender for Juicing.
$5,200 blender. From Vitamix. This machine has an incredibly powerful motor as well as a variable speed rheostat, providing users much more control. Its very large capacity 8+ cup mixing vessel is made of a strong plastic which makes this blender much lighter than expected. It has 120 volts and a 6 feet cord to make power. Plus, the blade assembly is sharp and sturdy. It's designed so incredibly well at blending everything flawlessly. Apart from capable of making cream sauces out of nuts, you can use the machine for making soup, thing that lots of other models out there cannot do well. Moreover, the machine is a little bit on the expensive side. But imagine if you're a fan of smoothies, it may be getting really much more.
RX10171001 Magic Blender. From NutriBullet. Of all the smart blenders that are on the market, NutriBullet's NutriBullet RX is probably the one you've heard about. With its powerful 1700 watt motor and specialized features, this blender is able to recognize when the mixture contained within the pitcher is ready to be served. If you press the G button on this blender, you will engage in soup making mode. The cleanup for this blender is simple, as you just need to rinse the blade separately. The cups and the top rack of the blender can be placed inside the dishwasher. It has the short cup is 30 ounce and the pitcher is 1 liter capacity. It's also come with smart technology with auto start/stop functionality. Reverse Crush Counterforms Blender. From Oster. Using this particular blender for smoothie eliminates any form of guesswork because it comes with pre-programmed smart settings that make it easy to control just from a single touch. You don't need to be worried about blades jamming during blending because it is designed with a dual direction blade technology that allows reversal of the blade whenever you feel like. It has 1000 power watts and a cord with 16 inches length. It is also easy to operate given that it comes with 7 speed settings arranged from low to high pulse, hence all you need is to find the right speed. 6 cup Burrow Class glass jar is dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. And it has 10-year limited warranty.
BL660 Professional Countertop Blender. From Ninja. The Ninja Professional Blender is a proficient, high-powered cooking appliance with 3 speeds, pulse, and single-serve functions. Apart from literally turning ice into snow in a matter of seconds, it works like a beast, crushing anything you throw at it with ease. Talking about conveniences, its 72 ounces pitcher is large enough to make drinks and smoothies for the entire family, while the 16 ounces cups with to-go lids make it easy to take tasty, hearty smoothies on the go. This blender is powerful and assembled with single-serve blade. And since they are terribly sharp, instead of hand washing them or risking the damage in the dishwasher, it'd be better if we put hot, soapy water for cleansing. Includes one 1100 watt base, 72 ounces total crushing pitcher, and 2 16 ounces Nutri Ninja cups with to-go lids. NBR1201 High-Speed Blender Mixer System. From NutriBullet. The NutriBullet NBR1201 12-piece high-speed blender lives up to its name with its powerful 600-watt motor and 3 patented, stainless steel blades that deliver perfect blending results every time. This blender itself does a great job of pureeing tough, hard foods, such as carrots, spinach, and others, even when they're frozen. It can also be used to puree the tough ends of asparagus for delicious soups. To use the machine, simply place your prepared fruit or veggies into the container, add the appropriate level of ice or water, and then cover it by a lid that comes with the sharp blades inside. Of course, there are a few complaints. It's quite loud. Sometimes it does require a few shakes or removing the cup to blend the entire contents more evenly. It does not pulverize seeds really well, in spite of claiming so in advertisements.